So let's be honest, we don't need more skills and more copywriting expertise to start our freelancing journey. In fact, it is something slowing you down and holding you back. So what you actually need is something completely different that matters way more, and that is your portfolio. How you're going to present yourself online. And in this video, I'm exactly going to show you how to create your first copywriting portfolio that's clean, simple, and professional. That will instantly make you look like someone worth paying and worth taking seriously. So without further ado, let's get started. So a portfolio is something that will make you stand out among the crowd of copywriters. What actually portfolio is? So think of portfolio as something like your business card that will make you look a bit more professional. And it's somewhere your target clients will go first of all, after your cold outreach or after they have found you through LinkedIn or any social media. It can be the first thing they will ask you sort of for checking out your sample work, just to figure out if you're actually capable of what you're promising or the results you're going to bring for them. Do you actually know what you are doing or not? So your portfolio will decide whether you're useful, professional, capable or not. So here we really gotta create a nice impression without any compromise. But how do we get our sample work? Where do we bring it from? We have not worked with real client yet. I was a stock writer until I realized that I don't really need a real client to build my first portfolio. It means your portfolio does not require experience. It is all about showing proof that you are good at what you do. So for portfolio, you can show them your sample projects. You can rewrite any bad ad you see on Facebook ad library. Third, you can open any website and start writing ads for them, start writing emails for them without even asking for their permission. They are not going to punish you for that. So that's how you're going to practice and build your sample work. And the best tip of all, that you can start writing blogs and articles in a specific niche. Now that's content writing, right? Now why I am saying that, why should you believe me? Because I've heard this tip from a successful copywriter herself, and she was saying that starting from blog posts and articles and content in a specific niche like fitness and health and wellness, so when the potential clients will come to you, they will check your sample work and they will be like, okay, this person actually knows something in my field. By the way, health and wellness and fitness, these niches are actually great to start from. Also, companies are more likely to give content writing roles to entry-level copywriters rather than directly giving them copywriting roles. The chances becomes really high that they will ask you to write their blog post, articles or content, and after that you can ultimately ask them to write their ads and homepage copy, website copy, email copy, etc. Okay, so 3 things that I have noticed for in most of the successful copywriters are they have their website, they have their portfolio, they have their LinkedIn or Twitter, Facebook profile. Now, setting your LinkedIn profile doesn't mean you're sending 100,000 outreaches every day. Even if you set up your LinkedIn account, that is enough, because it can become an additional platform to trust you. The website is not only for the business owners, it is also for the freelancers to showcase their skills, to talk about them more deeply. And the third thing is they have their ready to show portfolio. So these are the 3 things that you should definitely have to stand out among the beginner copywriters. So yeah, as we have discussed that what is portfolio, why do we need it, let me now take you to the screen and let me show you how you can exactly build your... Okay, so here is my website portfolio that I made using AI, and guess what? I made it while laying down on my bed in front of my laptop, watching AI doing all of these things for me for free with a single random one-liner prompt. The logo you're seeing, the brand name, the hire me CTA, the menu button, the header, turn your website visitors into paying customers, the sublines you're seeing, I write persuasive website copy, and the writer CTA. Each and everything you are seeing on this site is made by AI, not me. I didn't even use 1% of my brain on it. And I am exactly going to show you how to make one for you within a few clicks. The site name is site123 and you'll find a lot of YouTube tutorials out there. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact easiest process in which I made this website for me with 5 simple steps that you can directly implement to generate one for you. Okay, so before we dive in, let me tell you that I made this with a single one-liner prompt, which sounds like, hey AI, generate a copywriting website or portfolio for me. My name is Sarah, and it literally generate the whole website for me. And the best part about it is that it actually knows the structure of a professional looking website, the case studies section, the call to actions, email list option, and each and everything, client reviews, and everything literally. And here is a chat that you can see. Another interesting thing about it is that it has suggestions. It will give you a lot of suggestions, like suggest me a few new color themes, tell me what else I can add, what is my app missing, like any section that your website is missing, suggest me a full redesign option, how can I monetize this app more, tell me what else I am missing, what new feature what users love, tell me what else I can improve. And there are a lot of professional advices that you can take to make your website even professional. And I was really impressed by the website structure it gave me, but I was not really satisfied with the text on it. Like you're seeing during your website visitors into paying customers, the text was not like same before. As a copywriter, I knew this thing that the text is not good enough and it should really need to be enhanced. So the step number one is I gave it a simple prompt to make a copywriting website. You can also write a detailed prompt about your industry, your niche, or the other experience. If you have the client reviews, you have any details you have, you can share it in your prompt, and it will inject all of these things into your website. Second step is for better results, upload an article of how to optimize your website copy or anything like that, and give it to AI to analyze it and apply all the principles into your website. So the third thing that I did is making tweaks, like from these suggestions, what new features users would love, or any other theme it can suggest me. What do you think about my website? I asked it. Tell me what else I can improve. Tell me what else I can add, or how can I make it look even more professional. Use these suggestions as much as possible so you can have a great looking professional website portfolio. Okay, so the fourth step that I did is I did this logo. There was not any professional logo here. You're seeing KZ. My name is Kanan Sarah, so I just told this AI to generate a logo for me. I didn't give it any detailed prompt. It just gave me 2 to 3 logos and found this one pretty good. So I told it to inject this logo on my website, and it really did it. Fifth thing that I did is at the end of the website, you can see here links of your social media accounts, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. If you have, that's great. You must add it in your website to give it a professional look. You can see here it is the most important part, because it is where you're going to put your actual portfolio or sample works in the form of these case studies. If you have rewritten any ad or email campaign or any landing page, so how you're going to apply it. You are going to click on this data management, and here you will click on portfolio projects, and here you can see the list of the customized portfolio projects it listed on the website. Here you can delete anything. If you want to delete, you can edit the cover photo, edit the title, edit summary, and anything. And here you can change the photo, and here this is the most important part, where you will actually paste the link of your document of the work that you have written in Google Doc or in any form. You paste the link here, and you will save from here, and that's how you're going to paste all the links here. So when the user will click on that, it will redirect it into your Google Doc or anywhere you want to bring them.